Sabaydi, hello everybody. Long time no see because I've been out the town because my mom don't feeling well. Then I have to go stay with my mom a little bit, maybe 1 week. Today I come back and I don't post my video for a long time, but today I gonna make some fish steamer ginger, okay? And I gonna show you step by step how I do. And the first thing I gonna peel the ginger first. Pa หนึ่งปลาขิงนะ you know I gonna do like that. Fish steamer ginger and over topping with the chili, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do because I love spicy. Everything I like to eat spicy. That's why this the fish. I have some what Alaska flake. See, it's really nice meat, and I gonna steam them, okay? And the first thing I have some ginger and lemongrass. Then I gonna slide the ginger first. When I steam the fish, I love a lot of ginger. It's better, you know. I really thin like this. Garlic, chili, and ginger. Gel king, chili. After that, I have some lemongrass. Not a lot. I might use half. I'm gonna cut some lemon. Pa 1 ขิง มะนาว okay? I cut slice like this, very thin. Don't make too thick. If you do too thick, gonna be this one gonna be bitter. Make okay. Smash the lemongrass first. If you don't do like this, you can use the piece like this, but you have to smash like this first before you but I like to do like this, more flavor, more better. I like a little bit spicy, but I add maybe 20 pepper and 4 slices of ginger and 2 pieces of garlic, okay? And smash. 2 tablespoons of the water. And tablespoon of fish sauce. This is salt. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Lemon. You can add lemon or lime or key lime, whatever you like, okay? A lot of lemon is good. Yummy. This one gel king, chili ginger, okay? Okay, I got the sauce. I done already. Alaska flake. I gotta cut half because I don't want a long one, you know. I gotta cut half. Cut that like this. And need a foil. with this. You're gonna leave the fillet of fish in here. Okay, I'm gonna lay the first thing. I add some salt, add some oil, little bit olive oil, and massage them a little bit. The fish not too dry. Add some little bit butter. I love butter. My son, he loves butter. Whatever he do, he used to use butter. See, it's make a little bit moist. Meat sauce, make a color, and cooking wine. Like this. Massage them a little bit. Make everything go inside. Like that. This one I'm gonna put like this because it's kinda too small. All this, is make a more flavor, you know. Lemongrass on top a little bit, not too much, okay, a little bit more flavor, like this. You might like it this style because I love this kind. And I'm gonna add a little bit under here the ginger all over on the top like this. Pha nung king, Lao Kho Hong. Pha nung king, samun pai. You see it? Look beautiful now. You don't add a lot of stuff, but when you're done, you can add some little bit onion on top and the chili sauce, ginger, chili ginger. Okay. I'm gonna fold this one a little bit. Fold them in like that. Okay. Okay. Put the fish over here. About 15 to 25 minutes and come back. Fish steamer. Oh God. Wow, looks yummy, everybody. Look. Smell good. Very good. We're gonna add some chili, little bit. If you like spicy, you add a lot, okay? But I'm not gonna add a lot because my son, he might don't like it. My little one. I'm gonna add a little bit, like that. Onion on top. And cover a little bit. Okay, everybody, my fish is done. Looks yummy, guys. Look at that. I need rice now. I need steamed vegetable. Looks so good. Nung pa nung king. Okay, that's all for steamed fish ginger today. And please follow Nali Kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.